Hello everyone, happy Halloween! This is my final look this year as a Halloween makeup look, and today's final look on Halloween is a doll, a porcelain doll. And as usual, I have base makeup on, so I have foundation and concealer on. For this porcelain doll look today, I want to do a tiny bit of contour, a tiny light contour, and lots of blush. For the contour, I'm using the Camouflage Corrector palette from Revolution. Since this is more like a darker concealer shade, I am just going in with this, the bone structure of my face. With a concealer brush, and then just blending it out with a beauty sponge. Now the main part of this makeup look actually is nothing else but blush. Lots of blush. And I will put up a picture here because this is the inspiration for today's look. And you know, all of those baby dolls and porcelain dolls have like very rosy cheeks. And I want a very rosy cheek today, even more rosy than the angel look. And I'm using the blush palette from Revolution. This is the Sugar and Spice. I mean, that's the name. And then this is what it looks like. It's very beautiful. It has many very pretty colors. It has many very pretty colors of blush. And I want to go in with those, probably even that one. I kind of want to do a concoction and layer of blush. I want to use all kinds of colors. And first off, I want to build like this color, and then see, ooh, it's very pigmented, you can see that. And then just put lots and lots of blush on our cheeks, all over the cheeks basically. And mostly just on the apples and the cheeks, and then just this part. I don't want it to be on the cheek because baby dolls have color basically just here, and then just build this up to the roof basically. We started with that one, now we go with that one, just to have layers and layers of blush. And I think this is sufficient. This is sufficiently blushed cheek. And since we're going for a porcelain-ish type of a look, I kind of want a little bit of shine on the key points of my face. And my nose is itchy all the time during the fall. And for that, I am going in with this highlighter shade in the corrector palette and just putting it on the high points. Basically, this is the face, and the eye makeup is going to be very simple, like eyeshadow is not going to be much today. I'm just going in with this peachy shade from the Maybelline, what is this called? Pink Edge palette, and I'm also using the Blush Nudes palette, and from that one I'm going in with that cool pink eyeshadow. Just mixing the two together and putting it all over the lid. That is all for eyeshadow today. and I think a tiny little bit of this pretty shiny peachy color on my finger, a tiny little bit. Yep. Now before anything else, let me do the brows. The brows are going to be fluffy and just kind of painted on looking is the look that I'm going for, and I'm using this brow pencil from Essence. Just really strong strokes basically, as if they were painted on. Just like that. We don't want to go overboard. And for the eyes, lashes. Liner and lash, not my favorite part, but the doll look kind of requires it. So basically I'm just lining my lash line with the Crazy Look eyeliner from Miss Sporty. I'm trying to do a very, very thin line, fingers crossed. Yeah, so basically this is the lash line. That's it. We don't want anything any stronger. And I want to put on falsies because dolls have beautiful, beautiful lashes usually. So I found a lash that kind of, I think, looks just like a doll's lash. And this is from Essence. This is what it looks like in the packaging. It's called Would You Love Me? And this is what it looks like. I think perfectly like a doll's lash. So plasticky and not natural, but we'll see. So these are the lashes. They are truly unnatural doll looking lashes, absolutely. But that is the point today. And for the lower lash line, actually I'm not even gonna put on mascara because dolls usually don't have lower lashes, but they have painted on lower lashes, and for that I'm using the eyeliner and just painting some strokes of lashes on. Honestly, I'm just following the shadows of my real lashes sometimes, so that's helpful. So I have lashes painted on. I hope you can see that. So the doll look is kind of coming together. And the only thing left to do is the lips, which is kind of fun because we're gonna paint fun, kissy doll lips. Really, really cherry shaped. So my small lips are kind of coming in helpful today for the first time ever. Okay. And I'm using this cute pink matte lipstick from Rival de Loop Young for the lip color. Now I think I want to correct it with some concealer to have that really, really dull lips shape. So basically the makeup is done. Now prop time. So I have golden ringlets. I'm a doll. So you guys, this is the look. I think it's so adorable. I'm kind of in love. Wow, especially with the hair. I think it's kind of crazy and kind of so cool for Halloween. So this is the look. I hope you like it. This is really the simplest look ever. I mean cheeks, lips, and lashes, and of course the blonde wig is just so perfect. So this is the porcelain doll look. I hope you guys like this. So these were my videos for Halloween. Happy Halloween, everyone. Have a good time. Take care of yourselves. And then until the next video. Bye bye, you guys.